Welcome to a quick update on my cable lock. In my last video I've showed you how easy it is to cut through with just a little metal saw. But maybe we can even get through it with a Leatherman, a tool that is not suspected to be special to criminals. It's just a multifunctional tool with all kinds of blades in here and file and so on and so forth, but also a tiny cutter here, wire cutter. Let's see if we can manage to cut through this cable. So let's see. Oops. It's really not a big blade, it's just a tiny blade. But let's get started here with cutting the plastic. Okay, so we can see the bare metal here. This is, oops, haha. That was nice, it was a nice sound. I could get my bigger wire cutters, but I think it's more impressive if even this little cutter could do the job. Oops, that was also nice. So I think there is not much that's holding us up anymore. Just a few hairs are left from this cable here. And we are through. So what was that? 30 seconds or so? With just a usual multifunctional tool, in this case a Leatherman, that everyone could carry around without any indications that he or she would steal a bike. So with even this tool, it's very easy to get through this cable lock. Yeah, so think twice before you think that this could secure your bike. Anyway, thanks for watching, happy picking and experimenting. Cheers and bye bye.